Hi, I'm Gaz, here at the GAZWORLD channel. I've come to Chesterfield, to Harley World in Derbyshire, to film this beautiful Harley Davidson Street Glide ST. But first, I'll just show you around this showroom of theirs, some of the sold stock there, and that's your clothing department. Some gorgeous bikes in stock at the minute, so get yourselves down. So back to business. Like I say, I'm here at Harley World Chesterfield in Derbyshire in the UK. I've come to do a walk around on this beautiful 2022 Harley Davidson Street Glide ST 117, and the colour in this one is vivid black. They do another colour called gunship grey, which is next to £500. So this engine is a 1923cc Milwaukee 8 117 V twin. It's got 103 brake horsepower at 5,450 RPM. That's your air intake. Nice 117 detail in there. You've got your foot plates. And there you go, your Milwaukee 8. You've got 168 Newton meters of torque at 3,500 RPM. Like I say, if you've been following me and you subscribe to the GAZWORLD channel, you'll know that I actually go in detail in 4K. There's some gorgeous looking bikes of all brands, so please subscribe. Show you the tank lettering there, nice and crisp lettering, decent detail on that. Just show you the ground clearance, which is 135mm. You've got a seat height at 710mm. The petrol tank holds 22.7 litres of fuel, and the bike approximately does 41 miles to the gallon. Just coming onto the front suspension, which is a Showa front fork, 49mm, dual bending valve. It's got a travel of 117mm. Your front wheel is a 19-inch and your rear is an 18-inch, and these wheels are bronze Prodigy. You've also got a tyre pressure monitoring system. The front brakes are ABS 4-piston with a disc size of 300mm. Electronic cornering brakes. You've got traction control. The headlight on this is LED projector type, which is called the Daymaker. LED indicators. Like I say, if you're into your motorcycles, be sure to subscribe to the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel. Doing some brilliant bikes at the minute. Let's move on to the stereo and the infotainment system. I'll just let you have a look at this. You've got 165mm TFT screen, 4 speaker system, Bluetooth, USB. This bike's also got the hidden antenna area. This is awesome. say, plenty loud enough that. Like I say, you've got your sat nav, 165mm TFT full colour digital screen, and this one's the upgraded boombox GTS. And then obviously on front you've got your front mount speakers. I've just showed you the 12 volt plug in there. Got nice dials. Street glide lettering, top of tank, traction control, like I say, it's all Bluetooth, and there you have it. You've got your USB port for charging your devices. Your rear brake is again ABS. It's a 4-piston 300mm disc size, and this bike has got vehicle hold control, which is quite handy. Your rear suspension is an adjustable preload dual bending valve with a travel of 75mm. Just show you some detail, which is nice with the Harley Davidson logo on your panniers. This particular bike has had some extras, which is this pipe here. It's a 4.5 inch Van Hines Destroyer, which is a slip-on can, so you get some detail there. Camera's just not quite picked it up. It's also got a smart security system, which is hands-free fob. Plenty of storage space there. Looks gorgeous in this vivid black. Show you exhaust again. Some more 117 engraving side case. Got your foot plate, and then you've got your gearbox lever, which is 6-speed. The wet weight on this bike is 369 kilograms. You've got a wheelbase of 1625mm, and then you've got a total length of 2400mm. Like I say, if you want this gorgeous bike, it's 27,795 on the road, and I'm here at Harley World Chesterfield in Derbyshire, so I'm sure the sales team will welcome me with open arms. I'll put a link to their website in the description below. I just want to thank you for your support to the channel, to the GAZWORLD channel, and thanks for watching. I've been GAZWORLD. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.